Nice. Welcome back. So right now it is currently 5:59 p.m. in the afternoon. I took a nap, woke up not that long ago, and so right now I kind of want some coffee, and we're gonna make the, what is that? What is that? You guys see that? Okay, anyways, I'm about to make some coffee. So I recently ordered a bunch of new Nespresso Virtuo pods. I wanted to try the new Oatly one. That's what I'm gonna have right now. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is my fridge. It's not my fridge, it's my parents' fridge. Perfect amount left. Yeah, that's it. Let's go put it back. We're gonna remove this lid. Oh, fudge, I think I need 2 hands for this. Nope.
Yay!
Don't. Frothed milk. And it's hot. Pretty good. Say what's up, vlog.
What up?
My nighttime routine. This is not a nighttime routine. Cheers. What's up, guys? It's Moonita. I'm back with another unboxing. And today we are unboxing some goodies that I bought from PGYTECH. Let me drink some more of my tea. My throat still hurts. From PGYTECH. Some of these things I bought months ago because I wanted to have things prepped and prepared for when I did get my camera. Now I do. So we're gonna be unboxing some goodies. So the first thing that I'm gonna be unboxing is the Mantis Pod 2.0, and it's like a vlogging tripod. You see it? Yeah. And it has like this little handle on the box. That's cool. Got my knife. I see it. I'm ripping the box. All right. I ripped the box. Whoops. There's a little instruction manual. Oh, it comes with this little plate to put on the thing at the bottom of your camera. Oh, look! And it also comes with this. That's cool. Oh, it spins. Nice. Like a quick release. This bottom piece goes into the camera. Oh, I figured it out. I don't know what this does yet. I know this little button right here, when you clip, oh, you gotta, oh, okay, now I figured it out. And you snap it in there, close this back, and this doesn't move. Nice, and your camera is secured. And then we have the actual, oh, this is smaller than I thought. Nice, I thought it'd be like some big bulky thing.
That's what she said.
I'm glad it's not. Can you imagine me walking around? Screw this on here. Sorry, I have issues, attention issues. Okay. Let me loosen this a bit. Do you see this? Do you see this now? Imagine me out in public and you see me and I'm, oh fudge, that's super loose. Did I break it? Let me tighten it back. That's super tight now. Okay, I got sidetracked. Anyways, oh, I want to move it. How does one move it? Maybe I should have read the instructions, you know? How does one move this? Oh fudge, what the heck did I just do? I broke it? I hope not. Okay. All right, back to what I was saying. Imagine you see me out in public and I'm holding my camera on here. What's up, guys? What's up? Saw, dude. That would be me. That's me. All right, now how do I open this up? Maybe I should, oh, there's something else in here. I don't know what this is. It just has the PGYTECH logo. I don't know what that is. It's just a little, maybe it's a sticker. I do like stickers. It is a sticker. I'm adding it to my laptop. And then there's a black one. So there's a little white one. And there's a little black one. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay, that's trash. But I'm keeping the stickers. And it comes with little Allen wrenches.
Allen! Ow!
And that's all that was in here. Okay, I'm gonna try to see how this works. BRB. I got this thing to open the legs. And then one of the reasons why I wanted this one is that once the camera's on here and I want to get like some cool top-down shots, I can pull this out, hook this on like a door or something, and then the camera will be pointing down at me. That's cool. I like that. What I don't know is what this little button is for, but it's so cool how these move back in like so. I like it. Hit someone with it. Oh yes. Anyways, I realized I never talked about why I wanted the Sony A7C II or why I went with that camera. I went with this camera and this lens because it's compact. That's one of my main reasons for wanting to get a smaller camera, because I tried out the Canon R6 Mark II a couple months ago, and that thing was ginormous and it was heavy. Sony makes smaller and more compact cameras and smaller lenses. So that's one of the main reasons why I went with this camera. And then I also wanted a camera that can do both photos and videos. That's what this one does. Because they do have just photo-centered cameras and cameras that are just geared towards videos, but I wanted it to do both. And when I was doing my research, I came across cameras that had the lens already fixed to it and you were stuck with a focal length that it comes with. But I wanted one where I can switch out the lens whenever I wanted to. Before I got this camera or decided on this camera, I was looking at the ZV line and then the FX30. But the thing with the FX30 is that there's no viewfinder in the back and it's like a crop sensor camera and it involves math. I don't want to deal with math because, you know, it crops in the frame. I don't know. I didn't want to deal with it, so I'm glad this one is a full frame camera. Yes. And the ZV cameras, I liked them. Some of them were priced cheaper, but the thing is, I looked at the reviews and they overheated like crazy. This one actually overheats a little bit, but it's not as bad, I don't think. And then my last two reasons, I wanted something that has really good autofocus because I was recording on my iPhone and that kept going out of focus every single time and it was frustrating as heck. And I'm glad that the Sony cameras and probably most new cameras, they have like some sort of generative AI autofocus thing built in, so that's cool. And then my last reason, it's not a deal breaker reason or a main reason, it's just a good to have, and that is stabilization. And this camera has a active steady shot, which I turned on after the last video because I saw how shaky it was. I was like, I thought I had that turned on. I didn't. So I turned it on. But yes, a lot of thought and research went into me buying a camera because it's a lot of money. Not gonna lie. Okay, let's get back to unboxing. Next up, I guess we're gonna do the camera shoulder strap from PGYTECH. This video is all about my PGYTECH stuff that I bought. Open. That was Nope, I ripped it. I ripped it already. I'm really bad at this. Hello? I ripped it again. Shake my head. I guess that's trash. If there's no informational stuff on here, I'm gonna throw it out. Straight to trash. Boom. And more stickers! Yay. Oh, and wow, that's crazy. There's another, let me get this open first. There's another Allen wrench. How many Allen wrenches am I gonna collect? There are these little clippies. I'm just gonna rip this junk. I ripped it. Not every company can have an unboxing experience as easy as Apple. You know what I mean? I'm assuming these little dangly looking earring things go on the camera itself, on the little hoops that are back here as well. That's cool. And then, oh, come on. Oh, it's a cover. Wow, I'm an idiot. There's the metal piece and it covers it like so. And that's what's on here. Oh, is it a cover? Yes, it is a cover. I lied to myself. Okay. I have another base plate. Yes, this will sit on the camera. Either one, TBH. Now I have two. Wait, and then I bought another one. Oh my gosh. I have way too many base plates now. Anyways, how does one get this out? Hello? I'm gonna rip it. Ah, I ripped it. I ripped that bad boy open. We did it. Oh, let me not accidentally throw those out. That's trash. That's trash. But yes, this feels nice. Wow. And it feels cushiony up here. The Sony one was not cushiony or comfortable. Wow. Wow. How does one get this out? Oh, you gotta press this. Oh, fudge. You see this? You gotta press this and it releases. Okay, let me put it. And your camera is not gonna come out unless you press this and you pull it out. That's cool. See, look, if I try to pull it out this way, it's not gonna come out unless I do this. Wow, that's cool. Innovation. Ain't nobody gonna steal my camera from me. This is super cool. I like this. I like it. Next up, we have, this is the other base plate thing that I got. It's a quick release clamp and plate. Why does, oh my God. I'm so bad. Ah, I'm really ripping this. Oh my God. I ripped every single one of these boxes. Every single one. I do like their little hangy hooks. That's the coolest thing ever. Well, it's not the coolest thing ever, but it's cool. Another wrench. What the heck? I'm gonna have more stickers. Yes, this is how it works. I'm gonna have to read that because I need directions. I'm special. It's in here. What the heck? Let me get it. Okay, I got it. That's trash. Oh, it's different. It's different than the, ooh. Oh, wow. That was fast. Did you see that? Clip it. It won't go. Click there. Put that in there. Let go. And there's a little lock button. Wow, it's locked, so now I can't press it and accidentally release it. Ooh. I got tired of standing. Oh God, my legs, I'm old. Don't turn 30. Okay, so this thing, the extra one that I bought, it's not gonna fit on the Mantis pod because the Mantis pod comes with this thing to hook onto the actual tripod or Mantis block. What is it called? A handheld tripod? Yeah, sure, okay. And then it's stuck onto this thing, so I can't really remove it. So this I'll have to use with the Mantis pod. And then this I'll probably just keep for when I get a tripod or a backpack clip. Yes. Okay, I have one more thing to unbox. I almost forgot. This is an Apple event. One more thing. That's what he says.
One more thing.
One more thing.
Okay, update. Figured out that this button right here, if you press it, it moves this thing up or down. Last up, we have the card reader case from PGYTECH. And this one I got from Christmas, or yes, I got from Christmas for Christmas as a Secret Santa present from my Secret Santa. Yes, I'm gonna open this and I'll probably rip the box again. But let's watch me rip a box. Ooh, wow. First time, I didn't rip this box. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. There's more stickers. There's a little carbon. Nice. That's cool. Press. Oh, Nice. Wow. Am I gonna break something? I really don't want to. Ooh, what? What? That's cool. Oh my god. What the heck? Okay, this is super cool. I like it. Here's the little eject pin. How does one eject? The eject pin. Oh, there we go. Eject pin. Wow. And it says press right there. And you press it, and it pushes this up, and you can place SD card, micro SD cards. Yeah, I like that. That's super cool. Wow. I wonder if you can also, yes, you can place them back here as well. SD card, so 4. I can count. 4 SD cards, and these are nano SIM cards slots, and then micro SD cards. That's super dope. And then this little thingy that it came with, you can hook it onto here. Wow. Carry around my SD cards, just like that. No, I won't. And that's what was in unboxing for today. That's all the unboxing for today. What was your favorite? What was my favorite? I think these two, but you can never go wrong with a quick release plate, you know? That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come back next time or watch one of my other videos. Look at my mess. All my mess. It is actually 11:30. Look at my little bulb. It's not even hot and it's been on this whole time. That's cool. And it doesn't need to be plugged in. Look at that. That's dope. I unboxed that in one of my other videos. More mess. I had to rip so many boxes up, except for this one. This one survived. I got a collection of stickers, and then I got a collection of wrenches. All right, you guys, I figured out something super cool. Well, I didn't figure it out. I'm pretty sure it's common knowledge. Whoever owns this piece of technology, innovation. Imagine you just want to take these off. Look how easy it is for me to take this off. Wow. Wow. Less than 5 seconds. I love this thing. Until next time, peace.